Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Bushcraft Basics. Please excuse any wind noise. It's a little windy out here, but it's alright. Today we're going to be doing an upside down fire lay. So, the way I like to do it, very similar to other people, but a little different. I take my largest material here, and I split it, so it doesn't roll that easy. This is anywhere from thigh-sized up. Then we come down to upper arm size. Once again, it's split. And then we get down here to like wrist size. I just leave that in the round. Then over here, this is smaller than wrist. And over here, this is finger. And this is our primary materials. And up over here, that is our tinder. So let's go ahead and let's build the lay. So you want to take your largest material and use that as your base. Then you just go from largest to smallest. Last, you take your finger sized, put it on top. Then we're going to take our kindling and put it on top of that. As you see, we have the beginnings of our upside down fire lay. Let's get it started. To get this fire lay started, we're going to be using one of our Vaseline cotton balls in a here. Okay. So we got our Vaseline cotton ball in place where we want it. Now we're going to light it up. There we go. This wood is very dry, so it's going to burn very well. And as this burns down, the coals and everything are going to filter down, slowly burning the big wood. This is the type of fire lay you're going to do if you want a fire to burn a long time. The taller you build it and the bigger wood you use, the longer it's going to burn. This is kind of a small one, but it's for demonstration purposes. And we're just going to let that burn. And I think that'll do it for this one. Ooh, look at that wind.